Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how to find your player ID in Angry Birds 2 game. To find your player ID on Angry Birds is essential for support, so here is how you do it. First of all, launch open the Angry Birds 2 application on your device, whether you are using Android or iOS, and ensure that you are on the main screen where your flock is displayed. Once you're inside, go to the top section of the screen and tap on your nickname. Now this will open up your profile, from where you will see a player ID displayed at the bottom over here. Your player ID is a long string of unique numbers specific to your game account. It's advisable to take a screenshot or note down your player ID. This information is crucial if you need to contact support or recover your account. So that's how you easily find your player ID in Angry Birds 2. Your player ID is vital when recovering lost progress, contacting support, or transferring accounts. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.